Hello everyone, good morning children. Today we will learn and write sound of I. Write I in the box. FIT, fit, KIT, kit, LIT, lit, SIT, sit, NIT, knit, HIT, hit, BIT, bit, PIT, pit, WIT, wit. Repeat again. F box I T fit, K box I T kit, L box I T lit, S I T sit, N I T knit, H I T hit, B I T bit, P I T pit, WIT wit. So now children, write down these sound in your notebook and send me pic. I am waiting. Bye bye. See you next class.